The world's richest people became $300 billion wealthier after Trump limited the imposition of tariffs for some countries. The most interesting thing is that everyone remembers this news, but the fact that the market fell much more before that has already been forgotten by everyone. This is a chart of the largest American stocks, the S&P 500, and this is its highest point. After that, the decline began. Here at the bottom, a reversal occurred, and after that, there was the growth that everyone is talking about. And the growth was only 50%. This example shows how the media controls our consciousness. By the way, if you look at the weekly S&P 500 chart, you will see that the reversal right here occurred perfectly at the point of the mirror support line. Look, before this, there was a peak. A resistance line was formed, and after that, there was a reversal when the price returned to this line again. This line remained a mirror support line, and the price reversed, and it was quite easy to predict. I will show you exactly the same reversal points on the chart right now, where we can make a profit together this week. We will also discuss an important economic news about the reduction of interest rates in the Eurozone, which can be profitable. We will also discuss my trading robot and which currency pair is best to launch it on right now. So let's begin. Look, on Thursday, April 17th, there will be news, the decision on the interest rate by the European Central Bank. The previous value was 265, and it is forecasted to be 240. This means that most likely this rate will be reduced. And if the rate is reduced, the euro may sharply fall against other currencies, and this can be profitable. To make sure you don't miss this news, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. 30 minutes before the news is released, I notify everyone, you receive a notification, and we profit from it together. Let's take a look at the euro-dollar currency pair. Look, there's an upward chart here, and the situation even slightly resembles the S&P 500 situation. Look, there's a correction happening now, and if the correction continues, the same situation as on the S&P 500 will arise. Look, there was a previous high, which formed a resistance line. And now, if the euro-dollar price continues to move downwards, there will be a reversal point for buying from the mirrored support line. Here you can buy and profit from the rise. So mark this reversal point for yourself and wait for the euro to reach here. Also, if you are trading with my trading robot Fly Dynamic, note that there is currently very high volatility in all markets with strong trends. Therefore, if you are trading the euro-dollar, I recommend running it in buy mode, that is in the bull trend growth mode. We currently have a rising market, so naturally it should not be run in sell mode. It is also not advisable to run it in both buy and sell modes simultaneously. We use such a mode when there is a sideways trend. Currently, we have an upward trend in the euro-dollar, so I recommend running it in buy mode. And of course, set a greater distance between averaging orders to reduce risk. I mentioned this in the instructions. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, contact me via the link in the description on Telegram. I'll explain how to get the robot for free. Let's take a look at the euro-pound currency pair. Look, there is also an upward wave here, and a correction is underway. Fibonacci ratios but work very well in such corrections. And now look, several levels have already been worked out. I expect that if the downward movement continues around the 50 and 61.8 levels, there will be reversal points for buying. Here, you can buy and profit from the rise. Well, of course, that's if the price reaches this point, because right now there's a strong trend and it might move further. If it moves further, we keep all of this, just redraw the Fibonacci grid. Look, for example, if the euro goes further, up here, there, no problem. All these signals remain valid. You just need to redraw the Fibonacci grid a bit higher like this, and accordingly these pivot points move to new levels. That's it. Everything works very simply. Of course, if you are just starting to study the financial market, this might seem complicated, so I'm showing you these pivot points right away so you can trade from them and see the results. If you are just starting to study the financial market and are learning MetaTrader and you don't yet know how to use it, then of course, just go through my basic trading course for beginners from scratch. Simply open an account using the link in the description of this video with the broker I work with. Fund your account, and with a deposit of $300 or more, I will provide you with my trading course. This is a video course. Watch all the lessons and you will already know how to use the MetaTrader platform and how to earn with it. Look, there's an interesting situation with the euro-yen. I see a horizontal resistance line here. If the price reaches this point, it will be a reversal point from which you can sell and profit from the decline. And if the price goes down, we have an ascending triangle here. If it goes down, there will be an ascending support line. As soon as the price reaches it, it might bounce off. Accordingly, here we buy and profit from the rise. By the way, if you want to save time on analysis, on technical analysis, on finding reversal points, subscribe to my VIP channel. The link is in the description. There, I prepare selected reversal points with my analysis, with charts, with arrows, and also with specific entry-exit numbers. This way you can earn more. So subscribe. I will be glad to see you. A few words about gold. Gold has been performing very well at my reversal points from the support line, from the mirror support lines, and it is quite possible that it will soon work out another level at 3,168. Look, here's this level. Yes, gold is currently rising sharply, and many think it will grow indefinitely. But I warn you, it can have strong corrections downward. Technical corrections are inevitable. Be careful. And as soon as the price goes down, right here, from this support level, there might be a reversal. Here you can buy and earn. But again, I warn you, there can be strong false breakouts here, although so far, the price has rebounded very well from them. I hope this will happen again this time. Therefore, you can set up an alert so you don't miss it. And also subscribe to my Telegram channel. There, I also provide such free reversal points. By the way, if you withdraw profits that in USDT, that is in crypto dollars, be sure to use a wallet, a crypto wallet that allows you to pay in stores. In Russia, in cafes, everywhere there are terminals and ruble terminals to pay directly from the crypto wallet. It's really cool. I've been using it for a long time. Click the link in the description. There will be a above link and use it to your heart's content. No need to exchange crypto dollars for rubles through various peer-to-peer exchanges. Fewer risks. Everything happens automatically, very quickly and conveniently. It's a great thing. I highly recommend it. That's the news. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Subscribe to the channel, like boy, and leave comments. What are you trading? Are you trading gold? Are you trading the S&P 500? I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Goodbye, everyone.